My name is Cynthia Armstead, and I am a student at Capitol Health School of Nursing. I was working in corporate America. I was afraid to change someone. The very first time I did it, and the person looked at me and thanked me with sincerity, I was like, this is where I belong. I chose Capitol Health School of Nursing because it's a small school, so it's very hands-on. When you're in nursing school, you it matures you. Things that meant so much to you prior to, they mean nothing at this point now because nursing school comes first. The faculty is amazing because they understand where we are. You can have access to everyone. You're gonna see the dean, you're gonna see the assistant dean, you're gonna see the coordinators, and they're going to speak to you by name. So my class is from 18 to, I think, 60. And so you have different personalities. Everyone starts off different, but now it's one goal. Everyone's like the best of friends. We did a rotation in the pediatric ED. When I did my maternity rotation, it was amazing. I was able to be right there with the midwife and the nurse, and we encouraged the mother, the father to deliver the baby. You should come here because there's Capitol Health School of Nursing is going to make you the best nurse, a highly skilled nurse that you could ever be.